Hi folks, how are you? Good afternoon. ठीक है, we will start with the problem then. Let's check the problems. I think we skipped this one, most visited sector into the circular track. We solved these three. Check if all. Let's check that. So our idea is if upwards are much greater than the downwards, then only we will solve the problem. Okay, should we go ahead with this? Teacher K, turn true if all ones. At least k places. What kind of this problem is? All ones. ठीक है 10 to the power 5. ठीक है upwards are greater than the downwards, so we'll go ahead with this problem. And I feel this is some kind of a demanding problem. So ठीक है, I think at high level what we need to think is array nums integer k return true. Is there any binary array? ठीक है, it is a binary array. K is a nums of a length. If a k is a nums of the length, then return false already. ठीक है, and between every two consecutive ones we have to check if there is a k distance. So basically this is a question: check if all ones are at least length k places away from each other. So basically we can see given a binary array nums, so this is a nums array, cool, and this is the value of k, and we have to ensure that there is a minimum distance k between those two ones, or each ones, everyone's. So to ensure that, what we can do is we can just check the minimum distance between two ones, and if a minimum distance between two ones is less than k, then return false. Cool, then that's all. Let's solve the problem. If a k equal to length of a nums, return false. ठीक है, let's catch this variable. This is not a good practice to always use an. Minimum distance once is a n. So previous number, previous one, previous one index. So this variable denotes that this is a index of a previous one. So ठीक है, so let's figure out first of all this while previous one index is just a sec. ठीक है, previous one index is less than n, and nums of a previous one index is equal to 0, then go ahead. So now we have the previous index one. Now graze over it, graze over the remaining array for index in a range of a ठीक है. Now also we can take a current index. Current index is equal to previous index, previous one index, which is the next of that, previous one index, and while current index is less than n, and nums of a current index is equal to 0, then if it is equal to 1, then what will happen? Index, this should be the inner case. If a current index nums of a current index is equal to 1. Then take a minimum distance among them. Minimum distance between ones is the minimum of current index minus previous one index and minimum distance once, and the previous one index will be current index, and if it is not equal to 1, then just update it. If it is equal to 1, then carry cache. That's all. So we can keep this here also. Return minimum distance between ones if minimum distance between ones is not equal to n, else true, else false. Is greater than equal to k. अरे यार typos, these typos won't let me live peacefully. Okay, ठीक है, पहला तो चल गया, नहीं चला. 100 2 था. ठीक है, let's print minimum distance between ones for both of them. Two. Print current index comma previous one index. ठीक है, current index 10 20 3 4 3. So this is a 0 1 2 3. 3 minus 0 कितना हुआ? 3 plus 1. अरे यार, oh shit. Now what is the problem? Current index, let's have this here. Three 0 and 5 3. What's wrong with that? 3 0, which is a 2. We should get a 2. 3 0 minus bhai. Let's comment this out. चल गया भाई, हटा दो इसको. So basically what we did is we figured out the first index of a one, then we are just for each one index we are just taking the previous one's index and we are taking the distance between them, and we are just carrying it over with the minimum distance between two ones. And if minimum distance between two ones, whatever it is greater than or equal to k, then we will return true. Cool. Okay, we'll just add a solution. Can we take minimum distance between two ones? This is same. Figure out minimum distance between two ones and check if it is greater than equal to k. O of n. Space complexity no prayer. चलो ठीक है, it is posted. Bye guys.